In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Upwork jobs for free with no connects. Before we start, a quick reality check. On Upwork, most proposals require connects. The legitimate ways to apply without spending connects are to get invited by a client or to receive work through options like Project Catalog. What I'll show you is how to find the right jobs, research them quickly, and write proposals that attract invites so you can serve or avoid using connects. Open your browser and head to Google. Type Upwork and click the official site. Once you're signed in, go to the job search page. Click the search bar, then open Advanced Search so you can be precise. In the query, type the role you're after, like video editor, and add a platform mention, such as www.instagram or another site the client might reference. This helps surface posts where clients have shared a public link to their brand or content. Look through the results for jobs that include an external link. Open a matching job, and if you see an Instagram or other platform URL, copy it and open it in a new tab. Use this purely for research. Study their style, tone, and recent content. Notice what's working, what's missing, and what they might need from a freelancer. Take quick notes. Project goals, editing style, length, pacing, captions, or any branding cues you can mirror. Now return to the Upwork job page and craft a targeted proposal. Reference 2 or 3 specifics you just learned so the client knows you did your homework. Suggest a concise plan, what you'd deliver first, how you'd measure success, and a realistic timeline. Keep all communication and the contract on Upwork to comply with platform rules. Even if you find a social link, do not message the client off-platform before a contract. Use what you learned to personalize your proposal on Upwork instead. Here's why this helps you apply for free. Clients who see a laser-focused proposal often shortlist you and send an invitation to interview or to submit a proposal, which uses 0 connects. To increase those invites, make sure your profile matches the keywords you searched. Your portfolio reflects the exact style the client wants, and your availability is up to date. You can also publish a project catalog offering tailored to the niche you just researched. Clients can purchase or invite you without you spending connects. Follow this workflow each time. Find jobs with relevant external links, research quickly, personalize deeply, and keep everything on Upwork. It's the fastest, policy-compliant way to stand out, get invited, and apply without burning connects.